I will. But who is asking the question?
Yes. So we want to find out the decision of the Supreme Court.
Okay, so if you would remember, the case is in two parts. There was one on contempt, which through the applicant, Honorable Ernest Kumi, filed a certiorari application to have the contempt and the conviction by the Conference Court quashed. You remember that, right? So by decision of 4-1 today, the Supreme Court has agreed with Counsel Nimako and said that the contempt application, its hearing, and the subsequent conviction on it all has been quashed. So as we speak right now, Honorable Ernest Yakumi remains the MP, the elected and valid MP of the good people of Akwatia.
Thank you.
And on the second issue was the matter of the petition itself. On that, the court said that the judge, the Learned Trial Court judge in Koforidia, can no longer sit on that matter because his conduct has shown that he should not be allowed to continue sitting on the matter. So even though we may go back to Koforidia, but he won't be the judge to sit on the substantive matter.
Thank you.
But our main contention at the Supreme Court was that the contempt, its hearing, it's the conviction subsequent to the contempt, the sentencing. If you remember, there were even attempts to have Ernest Kumi arrested, Honorable MP. All has been quashed by the Supreme Court. So as we speak right now, Honorable Ernest Yakumi remains the MP of the good people of Akwatia.
Thank you. To conclude that the injunction itself also has been quashed?
The conviction, the bench warrant, if you would remember, there was a bench warrant issued by the High Court Koforidia. It has been quashed as well.
No, I'm referring to the injunction that was granted on June 6th, ahead of the June 7th.
Yes, it was stayed. The bench warrant was stayed by the Supreme Court to abide the ruling today. So as at now, per the ruling of the Supreme Court today, no bench warrant exists. So everything has been quashed. He's a free man and he will continue his good work as an MP.
But the question is, you remember that the court issued an injunction against his swearing in as an MP.
Everything has been quashed. Because all those things were incidental to the conviction for contempt and all that, and the subsequent sentence, bench warrant by the trial court. Everything has been quashed. Ernest Yakumi Honorable is as free as bird.
So now, which of the legs were dismissed?
The debate about the petition pending before the Koforidia High Court, the Supreme Court said we should go back to that, but has prohibited the judge from sitting on that particular case. So yes, for that one, we may go back. I mean, we leave it up to them. We believe that it has no merit, but if they will pursue it, it's their own cup of tea. But let me put it on record. Honorable Ernest Yakumi is as free as a bird, and he remains the elected, sworn-in member of the good people, member of parliament for the good people of Akwatia. Thank you.
Thank you.